We've hit 1,000 subscribers. So yes, guys, I know it's kind of late just announcing this and but I just wanted to make like a video just to say thank you guys to all my subscribers. I'm forever grateful for you guys. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for watching my videos, and just implore you, if you have not yet subscribed, hey, I'm Shakay. You should go ahead and subscribe. I do vlogs, lifestyle, beauty videos. So yes, if you're interested, go ahead, subscribe, and let's continue to grow the family. And we are now on the road to 2K. So yeah, and to monetization and all of that. So guys, we right. So guys, yeah, so the journey of getting to this 1K wasn't easy at all. It was definitely a roller coaster. Trust me, for 3 years I have been at it. Probably, I did take some break, and that's kind of one thing I did regret, not being that consistent from the beginning. Because I think if I was consistent from the beginning, I would have had like more viewers. Because like when I started, I had more views like in the front part, but in the middle part, like I lost some of those viewers. I wonder if that they're no longer YouTube, they're no longer interested, I don't know. So I lost those subscribers, I lost some viewers, and as well as our, what we call that, support groups that people make that do nada. Yeah, those are one some of the challenges I had, because starting out, like, you did not know that the sub for sub thing would be wrong. So you're hearing, all right, so you're thinking that you're subbing to this person so they can sub to you so that you can support each other. Never know it was wrong. When I learned it was wrong, I stopped. All right, so that was like when I was just starting out, like way back then. And then they came out with the support system. I'm like, all right, so since they're saying that they in the group know that sub for sub wrong, and I'm saying, all right, so they know that sub for sub is wrong, which means they're not doing sub for sub, right? So I started to do I think I did this in one of my other videos, like stop. I'll link it in the cards, not sure which one. So I said that, I started these support groups well, I joined a lot of support groups on Facebook. And then after a while, I realized, it's like it came to me that, yeah, they come over and they subscribe and they watch the one video, right? Because normally what they do is you post your video in the group or a link to your channel in the group, and then they'll go over, subscribe, and comment on that video, and that was it. You're not going to see them next time, and that is what really pissed me off. Because if you're gonna come and I'm gonna go over and continue watching your videos, why are you gonna stop watching mine? So I just realized it's better for you to just make your videos and allow YouTube to just do its thing most of the time. I know persons say try finding like a niche, stick to that niche. So like me, I do vlogs, lifestyle, and beauty videos on this channel. It's kind of a more than one niche, because lifestyle is a niche, vlog is like a different niche, and like beauty. But I think like vlogs and lifestyle can go together, because basically a lifestyle is basically a life. But I think beauty is the one that's odd off. But I just didn't want to make like another channel in case I like want to do like beauty stuff and stuff like that. So yeah, and I think that's why my channel is mostly like females, I think. Yeah, so but like I wanted to also play games, so I just made another channel for that. Because I started I think I posted 2 gaming videos on this channel, and I realized, do I really want this channel to be, because if a gamer should actually subscribe to my channel, and I only do like vlogs and beauty videos for the most part, I'm gonna lose that subscriber. So what I did was just make another channel and say, all right, I'm gonna do gaming on this channel and then the others, because once somebody subscribe for you for one thing and you stop doing that, or you don't do it a lot, they're not gonna watch your videos, and that is why the views are gonna go down and they might eventually unsubscribe. And I think that is what I've learned, that you should just stick to a niche. I also learned that keywords are very, very important. Like keywords meaning words that are searchable on YouTube and also Google. So I realize a lot of people search hotel vlogs, hotel tours and those, because I think the most famous the most viewed video I have on my channel right now is a hotel video, which is 1,000 and something views. It was a Royal Cameron video that I did like about 2 or 3 years ago. 2 years ago, I think. Yeah, that is my most viewed video, and pretty much all my hotel videos are the most popular videos on my channel. So yeah, and also my vlogs. People like vlogs, but you have to know how to put it in a way that it's searchable. So find words that you can, people would actually search for. Oh, a day in my life or something like that, but not only a day in your life, like something else with the day in your life, But yeah, just want to say this was just a learning, just telling you guys what I've learned over the years, and all of that. And just say, guys, thank you so much for subscribing, and I am so happy. I even have the community tab. It's been a week, and since yesterday, basically yesterday was the week, because it was last week Thursday we hit it, and I'm gonna put the picture right here. So pretty much on the 29th of April, yeah, we hit 1,000 subscribers. I saw it in the night. So yes, and then yesterday I received my community tab, so I'll be making my posts there, like to just advertise videos. Yeah, we reach 1K, and right now I think we're at 1,020 subscribers. So yes, guys, so subscribe. You also subscribe, and I want to do like different challenges and so, and like when I want to do like Q&As and such like that, I'm gonna like put it on my community tab and stuff like that. So yeah, just look out for these guys. I have a vlog coming, but I need to edit that vlog. We went out for Teachers Day, so that vlog is coming. So you guys just subscribe so you guys don't miss any more of my videos, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.